my channel. So I just wanted to do a vlog today. It's been a while since I've done a vlog and I've been trying to get better when it comes to this whole vlogging thing, but I really enjoy it. So you guys let me know down below and let me know how I do when it comes to these type of videos. So today here in Arizona, it's just been super windy and I'm not about that life to be going outside. Well, I just didn't do my hair today because I'm just not about the allergy life. I just decided to stay indoors and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and bake something. Since my mother, her birthday was in December, don't judge, but she wanted a lemon cake. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and surprise her and make her a lemon cake today. I was browsing through Preppy Kitchen's YouTube videos. I love watching his tutorials to make different type of cakes. I love that stuff. That's just my favorite thing to watch. So he made this lemon cake and it looks so beautiful. I'm gonna insert the picture here because it's just amazing. So that's the expectation today. I'm gonna try to make a cake that looks exactly like that one. I got everything. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I picked up from Hobby Lobby, since Hobby Lobby is one of my favorite stores. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Hobby Lobby. This, which is a bench scraper. Have I ever used one? No. Here's this tip thingy so I can frost. I think this is the one that he used when he made that cake. I just kind of guessed. So I got this one. And I did get this so it can help me frost. I picked up the food coloring, which it says lemon yellow right there. So I picked up the exact color that I need. I got these 6-inch pans since I do not have pans when it comes to baking this size of cake. And I got this cute thing so I could put the cake on top, and I ended up finding this turntable. I guess you need this to frost a cake like that. So I went ahead and I picked up all this stuff right here, and I already have some of the ingredients that I need. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get all this stuff washed and then we'll start making the cake. Let's go. Okay guys, so I already have all my lemons washed and I dried them with this cute Christmas stout because that's the only one I could find, and I grabbed it because heck, my mom's birthday was on Christmas, so why not grab this? Okay, so all of this is washed and I have my phone here because I'm not gonna memorize things and I have to actually watch a video in order to learn what the heck I'm doing because I want to make it perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this so you guys can hang out with me while I'm trying to bake a cake. So let's see.
And today we're making a lovely lemon layer cake, completely filled with lemon zest specks. Okay, let's get started.
I don't know if I mentioned this. I switched cameras because I never charge my things when it comes to, like, you know, extra batteries, anything that you have to charge. Trust me, I never charge it. I charge everything at last minute. So 2/3 of milk. All right, so we got my milk already. Fun fact, I never liked milk in my life. The only way that I'll consume milk is if I have horchata, if I have arroz con leche, if I'm eating cereal. Yeah, I used to put regular milk in it, but it was only just to kind of like wet it a little bit and then I wouldn't drink the milk. So I'm not much of a milk fan and it doesn't really matter anyway since I have my hormonal acne. You guys shouldn't be consuming dairy. Oh snap, this has a little bit more than what I need.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put this in there.
Two hours later.
So what's your guys' favorite kind of cake? Comment down below. My favorite is usually chocolate. I love chocolate cake. I love chocolate anything actually.
One eternity later.
I'm not really much of a lemon fan though. When it comes to like lemon cake or always putting like lemon in my food, like I'm okay without lemon. It's just certain things that I need lemon, but I'm not the type that puts lemon like on everything. You're probably thinking like, what the heck, and you're Hispanic and you don't put lemon in everything. Don't get me wrong though, I do put chile.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
We're supposed to leave this type of work to the pros because
when you try your best but you don't succeed.
let's see how long this cake takes me to make. The time is 3:43. So let's see how long this takes me. Look at how nice my whisk looks. Check this out. Okay, so I'm gonna give this a whisk. Sugar. And these little old school trays that my mom has. I don't have one of those cool zester things. This is like been here since years, probably before I was even born. But anyways, let's just see if this works. So do you guys like baking, or do you guys like cooking better? Or do you guys prefer both? As for me, I prefer both. I like cooking and making different types of foods, but I also do enjoy baking. And it's funny because like my mom, she's more of a cook. And when it comes to baking, like you better be sure that if you're gonna eat one of her cakes, you're gonna have it with a spoon, because it's probably gonna be stuck in the pan. Oh, did I get it from my mom? No, I didn't. Oh man, that smells good. So I hope you guys are enjoying this type of different vlog. I just want to see, does this recipe work? Which I'm sure it does, but can I ice it? That's the question. Okay. I just want to take this time. Shout out to Alphalete. They send these cool bags where like they send the clothes. My mom folds all the plastic bags. So we recycle and we use these, and she folds them up like little footballs in here. So shout out. I need a bag so I can see. Not sponsored. Sponsor me.
Until it gets nice and fluffy, so just go and, you know, look at Instagram at Preppy Kitchen. Looking pretty.
If you hear my dog barking, he's like my little audience, so he's watching me right now. He looks like a little stalker because I have him outside right now, so he won't be barking while I'm making this video, or, you know, being in the way. He's like just watching me. And it's crazy. Fun fact, I actually did have a, well, it's not really fun, but fun fact about me, I really did have a stalker. So if you guys want a story time about my stalker and what happened, then just comment down below. This would be so cool if Preppy Kitchen would watch my video just to see what he thinks, if I did a good job. Because I'm really trying here, you guys. That was a little too fast for me there. So we gotta put this. Oh god, I hope I'm putting in enough salt. I think this is about it. It's okay. Put that in there. I feel like I have a cooking show right now.
It's adding like 3 eggs.
I don't know if my mom's gonna be surprised with the cake or with the mess. Comment down below what you think. Okay, that's fully mixed. I'm gonna taste it. That tastes good. Coconut oil. These are new pans. Hobby Lobby, not sponsored. Sponsor me, please. It's good. I do not want them to get stuck. Usually when I bake, I'll use parchment paper, or I'll use the whole, like, you know.
Okay.
As these strips, so that the cake will come out flat, I'm gonna go ahead and just make some, since I don't have strips like that. I did learn how to make some off of this channel. Like I said, I'm obsessed with his channel. I'm gonna go ahead and just make the little things around the cake that I need. Oh, my godson has a game today. He's playing Little League. It's his first time playing. He's already like 8, 9 years old. I swear, his team is like the Baton Rouge Bears and the other kids are like the Sandlot. So it's pretty funny when you go watch them. Any of you guys ever played like Little League baseball? Softball? I played softball when I was 8, but I had to play with 15-year-olds because where I live, it's a really small town, so they didn't have enough girls. And you know what? it was a blessing that there wasn't another team because I learned how to play and that's my favorite sport for this day. So, okay, I already got all of these wrapped up. I'm gonna probably just finish the sides here and I'm gonna go ahead and pop them in the oven. Okay, so I'm already back. I do have coffee brewing, so just ignore that noise. And I went ahead and I separated this stuff because, yeah, I don't want to make this a super long video because I know the point is can I make it? Does it taste good? So let's get into this. I'm gonna go ahead and start making the frosting. This is where everything could fail because I'm not good at doing this. Just go ahead and do the simmering part with the frosting over there on the other side. So I will come back when I have that all done. Okay guys, so I already got this off of the steaming bath thing and it's at 160. So I think I did that right. And I got this all covered with my bake stuff. Okay, so it looks like I'm on the right track. Look at this, you guys. I'm proud of myself. This is probably not a good idea to do this, but check that out. It looks fluffy like me. This is the way it still looks like. It still looks like it's supposed to. But now I have to put 1 pound of butter. That's a whole lot of butter. You better believe it. Guys, so my cakes are already out and I'm so proud of myself. My frosting is not even soupy. This is like the first time that I actually made frosting. And I put the frosting into the fridge just in case. I just want to play it on the safe side. This is the first time I actually make good buttercream. So now I gotta zest another lemon. So here we go again doing this. Okay, so now I already took my frosting out and I noticed that you have to chop this up finely. So I'm gonna show you guys my chopping skills. You wanna know where I picked up these chopping skills? Do you guys remember when like the Wii was like really in when that barely came out? There was like a game called Chopping with Mama and it was like Chopping with Mama and all you can hear like with the little Wii thing was, that's where I learned how to chop. 2 naked lemons. I don't think I've ever tried this cheese before. So I'm gonna dump this all in here. Oh my god. My mom is the type of mother that saves containers like this. I'm gonna get rid of it, but she saves different containers, especially like the butter ones. And every time I like reach and I think it's butter, it's either frijoles or salsa, has different stuff in there. So I'm getting rid of this. I said to reserve a little bit of the sugar, but I'm just gonna put this a little more. A little bit more. Yeah, that's enough.
This part of the cake to be like the refreshing, has no lemon parts, but I'm a that person. So
Just zest this and for the day toast. How long have I been doing this for? It's already 5:54, you guys. Time goes by fast when you're having fun. Put this together. I'm gonna have to make the homemade like whipped cream. So we got this. And there. Imagine if I was on those time cooking shows where Duff has to like try my stuff. I don't know. I have to go by the recipe. I need to like see the person actually do it. So awesome how he really didn't use vanilla extract or any oils like in the cake. I already made all the whipped cream. I don't want to add all of it. So and the next step I believe is making the different color frostings. So now comes the fun part. So either this is gonna make it or break it. Even if it doesn't come out decorated pretty, like my grandmother used to say, that doesn't matter because you're gonna eat it anyways. So now we're back. So what I went ahead and I did was I got a cup and I just put all the bags here so that way it makes it somewhat easy. It kind of came out jacked up on this side, but it's okay. There's nothing that frosting can't fix. I'm kind of nervous about this part because like I said, I'm not really good at doing this, but I'm gonna try my best. tried my best, so I'm gonna go ahead and get a close view.
Super disappointed.
Yeah, I know it's missing frosting here, but hey, I tried. You know what I mean? I think I did actually pretty good for a beginner. I think what messed me up was this thing right here. This was pretty hard to get past it, and then that's what the top looks like. So I just did that. So I should cut into it so we can see what it looks like. Go ahead and cut into it. I'm not gonna do it fancy like he does, because me and my mom are gonna try it since she's the one that's been bugging me for a lemon cake. So here's your lemon cake. I like the way he takes it out. Mine's gonna probably fall. Yeah, mine does not look like his. But hey, I'm practicing. I'm just gonna knock it down because let you try it first. I'm gonna get another fork. Let me see how she does.
All comes down to this. That's dope.
Mmm. What? It's very good. Let me try it. Let me get another piece. For not being a lemon type of person for cake, she did a good job. Really good, but he gave a good recipe. Yes. I've tried recipes before. I've never recorded them, but I've tried recipes where I've spent hours and I had to throw it away because just the way they told me how to bake it was not good. So thank you guys for watching my little vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You guys got to know me a little bit better when it comes to what I like to do. So I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye guys.